Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to walk you guys through on how to make easy Instant Pot vegan vegetable stew. To start, I chopped up all of my vegetables. We have my Instant Pot, and I'm also adding kale to it. To start, I sauteed my peppers and my onions and my fresh garlic. I added some herbs and spices, no salt or oil. I then added my chopped up vegetables, poured in some low sodium broth. After it was done, I added my kale. To add a little bit more flavor, I added some nutritional yeast to it, followed by some fresh lime. To thicken it up, I used a hand mixer to just thicken up some of the vegetables, to chop up some of the vegetables. And there you have it, some delicious, healthy, vegan Instant Pot stew. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you on the next video.